This is a view outside my hotel window, sometime in the middle of the night. Dead as could be. The only people that are out here at this time are the homeless people. People that are starving. People that beg all day for money. They got nowhere to sleep. They'll be out here all night, I guess. This is a shopping mall. It's called Sendero 14. This is the name of the street. Later I'll make a video when this place comes to life. You won't believe it's the same place when the sun comes up. Maybe there goes one of the people right now. Sad, huh? Okay. Now I'll turn around. I see nothing in here. Seinfeld in Colombia. Seinfeld in Colombia in English. It's way too dark for this.